Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day one of kind of Vlogmas, not really Vlogmas type of thing. So I decided that I was going to do 5 days of trying new things, just learning new things. Now, I have cut vinyl before. This is the glitter one. I have cut vinyl before, so that I've done before, but what I have not done is actually press it into one of these. I've been terrified I was going to melt these for some reason, so I ended up going to Michael's and picking up a couple of these. I did find some in red as well. So these are going to be gifts, and the colors I'm going to be using for the glitter, it's going to be these two colors here, so they kind of match with bags. I am going to be listing down the font that I'm going to be using. It's a beautiful font. I am going to get everything set up and started. I will be using my Silhouette with my MacBook just for the software, and my heat press as well, and some tweezers and vinyl, and that's pretty much it for the project. So I'm more nervous because clearly you can tell like the zipper's there, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these up. I'm going to take all these tags and everything off. I'm going to, I think I have a way of pressing these, so that's what I'm going to do. I have these little pillows, not necessarily pillows, but little cushions that I made. So I'm going to put it in the inside to raise this because this is higher than this, and you want this higher than this, so it kind of presses on correctly. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to probably just put some music and stuff like that while the machine's cutting, things like that, and then once we get to the end, I'll kind of, but we'll see. I'm excited. I think these are going to turn out beautiful. These are all gifts. I'm pretty sure I said that, but they are all going to be gifts. And I have another video that's also going to be gifts, so I figure why not. It's something that I always wanted to try anyways, but I was too scared to try it, or honestly I was afraid that I was gonna like break the machine for the other one, my embroidery machine. But plenty of people do it, so I'm gonna try myself. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and align this, kind of center this, and then just go ahead and press this next. So I'm gonna prep these real quick. I did just want to take a moment and show you real quick how like the names turned out. I think they turned out really pretty. This is a beautiful font. So that's what that one looks like. So, and it's got this beautiful swirls, and so yeah, don't mind. I have paint. We were painting, crafting. We did last night our gingerbread house, which for some reason the frosting just would not stay. This is the first time ever I had that happen. It just would not stay. It would look like it was actually snowing, like the snow falling off of the house. But hey, we woke up this morning and it's staying in place now, so it's good. So, but yeah, so I have leftover paint. And then we also painted ornaments last night. we did an angel, a gingerbread man, and a Santa. So 2 of those are on the Christmas tree, and the angel is sitting on furniture. The little hook that was on there, I noticed after I opened it that it was damaged, so I figured, I was like, oh, it might be okay. Well, the part that was damaged was like right where the little hook goes, and as soon as I lifted it, it just came off. Thankfully, it fell on the carpet. It didn't break. So, but the angel is sitting on the counter now next to the Christmas tree. So, little story to why I have paint on my, I think that's the only spot too. So, alright, let's go ahead and keep moving on. I'm going to press these next, and I'm going to set up that area. This is what they look like. I think it's very pretty. I don't know if you can tell if you see the glitter, but it does look really pretty in person, and it does shine, and it's more glitzy when you see it directly, but I think it turned out really well. It's usable. You can use it to maybe like go out or something, or keep certain things in it. I don't know. This year I thought of just doing things that you could use, like reuse throughout. I feel like I could have done something on the sides though. Like I really feel like maybe I could have put a design or something else on the sides, but I think I'm gonna leave them as is because they're really pretty. Also, I mean, look at that color with this color. I think it's beautiful. They actually go really well together, and I love it. It's really, really pretty. And then these are the other 2 I did, and this is how this one turned out. So, and this one. So I'm excited. I hope they like them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them up. And I did some of these for my coworkers. I did not take pictures of those. I should have. That's the one thing I forgot, but I should have. So what I did for theirs, I went ahead and folded it. I folded. So I grabbed the bag, and I just basically did this. So you can still see part of the name. And then this is hanging to the side, and then I'm going to put some ribbon on the center, and I'm going to put it in their gift bags. They all already have, like, there's a bunch of presents underneath the tree already, so that's basically what I'm going to do. So I'm actually going to do that real quick to show you what that looks like. I thought it looked cute. This is how it looks like after it's folded. I have it to the side like this, and then I put it in the bag, and the little bow with the ribbon up there like that. I think it turns out really cute as a gift. So all they have to do is just kind of open it up, and then they see their name on it, the baggie. So I'm going to go ahead and place these on the bag. I like it. I hope they like it too. It's usable. So we'll see. But thank you all so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with the next video. This one was a fun one. I actually did day 2 first, and then decided to do day 1. But you'll see it's worth watching. It's really cute. And yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share my video if you like it and think that somebody else might enjoy things like this. And I will see you on the next one, which should be tomorrow. Enjoy your holidays, and yeah, that wasn't too bad.